Hello students, in this video we will learn how to install QBasic software, from where we can download and what would be the procedure to install QBasic software. Okay, before installing the software we would require to download this software. To download the software we have to visit to the website qb64.org. I am repeating it, qb64 in number.org. The website will look like this. This will be the GUI of the website. When you will click on download, you will get options here, latest version. So you have to click on latest version. This will redirect you to a different website which is called as GitHub. In GitHub there would be an option for download. It depends upon your operating system, which operating system you are using. Depending upon it you can download it. So if you are using Linux operating system, you may download this package. If you are using Mac OS or an Apple laptop, so you require to download this package. If you are using any Windows version which is of 32 bits, I had explained you in class how to check your computer version. I will also show you in this video how to do it. But if you are using Windows 32 bits, you can download this version, this packet. Or if you are using 64 bit Windows 64 bits, you would be using this version. Okay, so I had downloaded this packet. My computer is Windows 64 bit, it is Windows 10, so I have downloaded this packet. After downloading it, it should look like this. Okay, so this is basically a zip file. So we need to unzip it. There would be a pre-installed software in your computer to unzip it. If you are not having any pre-installed software in your computer, you can also download WinZip software. The website will look like this, and the URL of the website is www.winzip.com. Okay, you can click on download depending upon your operating system which we are using. You can go for that version and you can download it. So when I have downloaded this QBasic software, I just need to right click on it. I will get the option of extract all, and I need to extract all my data. Means a file would be extracted from QBasic 64 and it would look like this. So it takes time, don't worry about it. It will take time about 15 to 20 minutes to extract all the file, and once it is extracted it will look like this. So the folder name would be qbasic underscore 1.5 underscore win underscore x64. So this is what I have got from extracting the file. After extracting the file, this would be the file which is there inside, and inside this file folder there are n numbers of folders and file which will be there. Okay, so now you need to copy paste this file in program files. So we will copy, we'll say copy, we'll go to Windows, and in Windows there is program file. You need to just paste it. So when you will paste it, it will be in your folder of program file. Program file is where all your installed softwares are there. So right now you can see my QBasic software is inside it. Okay, when it is inside, I will just click on it. Okay, I am now inside QBasic 64, and then there's one more folder QBasic 64, and afterwards there is a app. This icon you can see, this is the application file which would be used to run QBasic software or QB64 software. So what I will do is I will just right click on it, and I'll say send to desktop. So a shortcut would be created for this particular application, and it would look like this. It is on my desktop right now, so it will look like this. Okay, once I get the software on my desktop, I will right click on it, or I will say run as admin, or I will say open. If it is a guest user, I won't get the access, or it may throw an error. So my computer or my user ID is right now in the admin ID, so I can directly click on open. So I will get the GUI of QBasic where I can say OK, and I will write a simple program to print. So print hello with, and I will say start. So it should give me an output. This means that my software is installed properly. So I have got the output and there is nothing to worry right now. So I can start my programming. I hope you have understood how to install this software in your computer and how to download it. Okay, to check the operating system version, what you need to do is you just need to go to this PC or my computer. You will right click on it and you will say properties. You will go to properties. When you go to properties, you will get a window where all the information related to your device would be visible. The information of my device is visible and I can see that system type is 64-bit. So from this we can know which operating system we are using and what is the version it is having. So this is the procedure how to check in your Windows computer. Okay. And second thing, before downloading WinZip software, you can try it out that is the extracting software available on your computer. So to check, you just need to right click on it and you need to check that you are getting an option of extract all. If you are getting an option of extract all, this means that you have the application installed in your computer from which you can extract the files or you can extract the details from the folder. Okay, so you may not require to install the WinZip software. If you are not getting any option to extract, then only you are required to install WinZip software or you can also install WinRAR software. Okay. So in this video we have understood how to install QBasic 64, which website we need to visit if you are not having any software to extract the files, or which software you may require. You can either install WinZip or you can install WinRAR. So you can install either the software, and then we have understood how it is downloaded and what would be the procedure to run and how to run the software. So we have done a trial run to check the software installed properly and we are getting the output. Hope you have understood how to install the software and it is working properly in your computer, and we will meet in next session to learn how to program it in QBasic.